Here you can see that our pumpkin has changed. It's no longer gray and soft. Now it is hard and it's white. The color has changed. It's not really water soluble. This is called bisqueware once it comes out of the kiln. So what we're going to do today is we are going to paint the surface of this with a very special paint called glaze. Glaze is special because when we put it back into the oven, it's going to change into this very nice glassy, bright color. So I'm going to dip my paintbrush in here, making sure that the glaze gets just onto the bristles, and then paint the body of the pumpkin orange. Now, as I paint, I might notice that some white spots are left. If you see some white spots like this, then just put a lot of glaze on your brush and just sort of poke it into that spot. We don't want to have any white spots, or we call peekaboo spots in class. And then we're going to cover the entire thing. Now, when you think you've painted the entire pumpkin, I want you to pick it up and really examine it. If you see these little white spots, we really need to make sure that we go back and fill them in. So I really want to cover up all of those white spots that we see so that our pumpkin is bright and shiny and neat. Then once I paint it a full time, I'm going to give it a break and then paint it a second time too. Once you've finished painting the entire pumpkin, we're going to set it aside to dry one final time. And then once it's dry, we're going to place it into the kiln so it can change from this dull orange and dull green to a brilliant, vibrant, bright, colorful pumpkin.